Your words travel faster than ever through texts, emails, Zoom calls, and social media. But speed alone isn't enough. How you communicate online shapes how you're seen, heard, and remembered. Welcome to Communicating Online with Digital Etiquette, a course designed to help you master the art of respectful, clear, and purposeful digital communication. Whether you're chatting with friends, emailing a teacher, or posting in a public forum, this course gives you the tools to express yourself with confidence, integrity, and cultural awareness. Learn how to choose the right platform, use the right tone, and say the right thing at the right time, without causing confusion or offense. If you want to lead well, learn fast, and build a strong reputation in digital spaces, this course is for you. Let's elevate how we speak, type, and connect online and beyond. Join us and communicate with purpose.